Source A. Excerpt from Autobiography of Babur, First Mughal Emperor, written by Babur, 1530 CE. At this point in his narrative, Babur recounts the death of Sultan Ibrahim of Delhi, leader of the Lodi dynasty Muslims, which controlled portions of northern India and who was being attacked by the Mughals. Sultan Ibrahim died at the Battle of Panipat in 1526. Part 1. It was now afternoon prayers when Tahir Tabari, the younger brother of Khalifa, found Ibrahim lying dead, cut off his head, and brought it in. That very day I directed my Humayun, Babur's son, to set out to occupy Agra, city in northern India, and take possession of the treasuries. At the same time, I ordered Mandi Khawaja and others to leave their baggage, to push on by forced marches, and to enter the fort of Delhi and forcefully take the treasures. On Thursday we moved and halted, and on Friday we continued to move and then halt in the same manner. Others went into Delhi to Friday prayers. There they read the public prayer in my name and distributed some money among the beggars, then returned. On Saturday we again set out and proceeded towards Agra, a city in the Delhi Sultanate. On Thursday, the 28th of Rajab, I entered Agra for about the hour of afternoon prayers and took up my residence in Sultan Ibrahim's palace. Part 2. In 1519, I again collected an army, and having taken the fort of Bajor by storm in 2 or 3 hours, I put all of the garrison, soldiers at the fort, to the sword. I next advanced in Bara, where I prevented all marauding and plunder, imposed a contribution on the inhabitants, and levied upon it 400,000 sharakis, approximately $25,000 today in money and goods. I then divided the proceeds among the troops who were in my service, after which I returned to my capital, Kabul, which is present-day Afghanistan. From that time to the year 1526, I devoted myself particularly to the affairs of Hinduistan, majority Hindu, northern India, and in the space of these 7 or 8 years entered it 5 times at the head of an army. The 5th time God Most High, in His grace and mercy, cast down and defeated an enemy so mighty as Sultan Ibrahim of Delhi, and made me the master and conqueror of the powerful empire of Hindustan. Guiding question: how and why did the Mughal leaders define their legacy?